welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing my deep treatment with Real Hair Smoothie. And the smoothie I'm going to be using is Moisture Mania, which is obviously for providing moisture. My hair has been very dry. I haven't really been taking care of my hair the past week or two. I've just been putting it up in my scarf and going all my day, putting it up in a bun or into braids. So I definitely needed a moisture treatment, and this is what I'm going to be using. Real Hair Smoothie is a DIY, all organic conditioner treatment. You can go onto their website at realhairsmoothie.com to find out more about this product. So if you want to know how I got these luscious curls, make sure you continue to watch till the end to see what I did. Alright, now that my hair is freshly washed and towel dried, I'm going to section and apply the conditioner. The one I'm going to be using today is the Moisture Mania. And this one has sweet potato, honey, and cinnamon. And it says don't drink, so make sure you do not drink because this does have essential oils in it. So that is why you are not able to eat it. Other than that, it is completely perishable, so you do have to keep it refrigerated. But yes, all organic. And this one is to help with, obviously, moisturizing. So, you know, people who color treat their hair, you have a hard time retaining moisture in your hair, this would be a good option for you. So I'm going to section. You want to make sure you do detangle your hair when you wash, because it would make the application process for the conditioner a lot easier. So I'm going to start in the front, just for your sake. And you want to make sure you wear a shirt that you don't mind getting messy, because this will get messy. Cold. Really want to focus on the ends, since that's what needs the most moisture, because that gets the most contact with anything. You know, your ends, if you wear your hair out often, your ends is what gets the most damage. That's why people easily get split ends, because your hair is constantly rubbing up against your shirts or jackets or just whatever. It touches everything. I'm going to twist, and I will speed this up, so don't worry. Now my hair is not super thick, so I don't really have to use a lot of this, because my hair is pretty, you know, it's not thin, but it's not thick. So I'm in a good medium space there. So I don't really have to use a lot with my hair length. I kind of probably use about a quarter of the bottle for each treatment. So. Smells so good, and I love the smell of sweet potatoes, which is what the main smell. Sweet potatoes and like cinnamon, I think. That's what I can smell the most. I don't really know what, I don't know. I smell cinnamon and the sweet potato the most. The honey is, honey doesn't really have like a strong smell, so really wouldn't smell it that much, but and this one, if you see my last video, the one that's for like helping to thicken your hair, is the green one. That one is a lot smoother than this one. This one is a bit grainy, and I think it is because of the cinnamon. I think it's because of the cinnamon. Am I 100% sure? No, but I think that's what the graininess is. I think it's the cinnamon, and I can see the cinnamon on my hands. You can see that. But yeah, but I don't mind it. You just want to make sure when you do rinse this out, you're very thorough. But yeah. And now I'm going to just cover this with my plastic bag since I ran out of caps. Oops, I dropped my cap. I'm gonna put my cap on, and then I'm going to go dry for about 45 to an hour. Not dry. I'm going to go sit under my hooded dryer for about 45 to an hour and rinse, and then I'll come back with my results. All right, so it is all rinsed out. And these are my results. Now, just off of just rinsing it out, I still have a lot of stuff in my hair. Yeah. So I'm going to have to go and do another good rinse. It looks like it's mostly just in the front of my hair. Yeah. Yep. Gotta go rinse again. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Let's see if I got it all out this time. How does it look? I think it looks pretty good. Okay. So now that it's all out, my hair, based off of just rinsing it out with no product in it, very soft, okay? Feels really moisturized. I can still glide my fingers through my hair. Okay, I got some definition going on here. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair, and I'll do my face, and then I'll come back and I'll show you my final results. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I am so happy with my results. My hair is very full, very moisturized. Look at the bounce. I am loving it. I love it. So, I definitely think that it has great benefits. I can't stop touching my hair. Can't stop touching it, but definitely is a must-have, you guys. Again, you can go to the realhairsmoothie.com to purchase the smoothie. The one that I used today was Moisture Mania. There are 2 other smoothies that you can use, so depending on what you're looking for would determine the smoothie that you would like. So definitely you want to know the type of hair that you have, exactly what you're looking for. Get fuller hair, thicker hair, whether you need moisture or if you have color treated hair, you also have a smoothie for that as well. So I definitely hope that you guys like the results. I am in love with my results right now. Go check out their website and try it out, you guys. It's really great. You don't have to worry about going into the supermarket, purchasing all of these items so that you can whip it up yourself, and you go cooking down your ingredients and everything like that. You don't have to worry about that. You just go online, you make that purchase, and you have your DIY conditioner being sent to you. And that is all that I have for you today. So make sure you check out their website, realhairsmoothie.com, and definitely make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye! For those of you with natural hair, do you remember the time when we had to spend hours in the kitchen whipping up our favorite blends? Avocado, coconut oil, yogurt, essential oils, honey, cinnamon, banana, etc. to condition and treat our hair? Times have changed. As everyone is so busy these days, there's not a lot of time for us to do all that. That's where the convenience of Real Hair Smoothie comes in. It's the real deal, delivered fresh and cold to your doorstep. Convenient for busy moms, wives, and businesswomen to be able to purchase DIY treatment with real food and amino acid proteins to treat your hair the natural way. No poo conditioning. Nourish your hair with Real Hair Smoothie, a fresh all-natural conditioner treatment. Requires refrigeration. Purchase from realhairsmoothie.com.